Hello guys, today I am telling about you how to install your MS SQL where you have to write the queries. Now first you have to go any browser like Chrome or the Brave. I am going to the Brave browser, Chrome. You have to search here MySQL download. Go to first download MS SQL installer, this link. Now you have to select your operating system, it is the Microsoft Windows, and a version is latest version is 8. Now you have to click on here download link. Now you have to click no thanks, just start my download. Now downloading is start. Now here you can see the download is completed. Click on it. Yes. Click next. You can see I already downloaded my SQL. Where is my available version? If I want to upgrade, then I can upgrade it. Click on next. Then execute part. It's upgrading mine. And you are a first user, then it will install in your desktop. You can see it. First one is upgraded. It will take a minute. So now downloading. We can download here one also. MySQL workbench download. You have to download it. Run this also. Download MySQL workbench. Then check your operating system, which one, Microsoft, Ubuntu, Mac, anything. Now you have to click on download. No thanks, just download. Downloading start. Will take some couple of minutes. Now afterward you have to click on the finish and it will download. I am doing cancel, the simple step. Now you have to go MySQL workbench. Now you can see here. You have to click on next. You have to click on modify, next, click on next. Then it is the location where you have to give my workbench. Click on the install. I'm already installed it, but I'm installing now. And click on finish. Then next. It is one more time also. You have to cut it. Now go to my SQL workbench. Now I am already making a two connection here. If you want to make any three of the connection, you have to give your connection name like local. Now you have to give your name here connection local, and connection method is TP, TCP and IP. Now port number all set. Now I have to click on OK, and we'll make another connection also. It will open now. Here you can set. Now here we can write the query. When we have practice, then we can write the queries. I show you one more time. Go to my, you can see here also. Where I am making the queries, where I am practicing it. You can see here. These are my queries. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.